Cumberland at the Great Allegheny Passage trailhead. Today we are headed to, we don't really know. We're either going to Frostburg or the town beyond that. So it's either going to be 16 or 32 miles. The first 32 miles are going to be a steady climb. So we'll see how well we do. The sun's coming up.
Sun's coming up.
Pistol is very excited. Pistol! Are you ready to go? Oh, yep. You ready to go? Are you ready to go?
Come on.
All right.
Watch your treats now.
Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Oh boy.
That's her favorite.
It is.
All right, girl.
All right, let's make our way through Cumberland and hit the trail.
Nervous.
I'm nervous too.
The van's right there. It's cozy. We can lawn chair, relax, drink some wine. There's a winery right here.
There is.
We're gonna go ride all day long.
Whose idea was this? Dang, why do I always have these brilliant ideas? All right, let's get on the road.
Day one, we're off. Pavement's nice, huh, babe? 1 mile in. So far, so good. Well, after probably close to 2 miles, the pavement ended and it's a really fine, hard-packed gravel. I was worried because we had some downpour rains yesterday and last night. I thought it was going to be muddy, but it's really not bad. Irene's feeling good because I can hardly keep up with her. I guess I should put some of this gear in the trailer with Pistol. We are 4 miles in and it's just been a steady grind, probably going 5 miles an hour. Well, now we were going pretty fast on the pavement, but we're just before the fall. As you can see, some of the leaves are starting to come down, but
it's beautiful.
It's still pretty green, so we're a little early for all the fall color. We stopped real quick on the trail about 4.5 miles up. We saw these maple stills, I guess.
Yeah, you can see the lines going up through the woods there.
Yeah, they probably don't show.
I don't know.
That's pretty cool.
Amazing. I've never seen that before.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Let's go get some maple syrup.
Oh man, that'd be so delicious.
How you doing, girl? She says, keep riding, Dad. Time for a quick break.
Yeah, we made it 5 miles so far. 11 miles to Frostburg, 144 to Pittsburgh. We're nearly there.
We're almost there, hon. Do not enter tunnel with oncoming train. When train approaching, exit tunnel. Cool, huh? Spooky. I would not want to be there with a train going by. That's cool. So we're probably, I don't know, a couple miles from Frostburg, and it's a grind.
Yeah.
It's a grind. I think we're probably averaging 5 miles an hour.
We're slow. I'm very slow.
It's a steeper grade than, I think it's what I expected.
Well, it's the trailer.
Yeah. Yeah, I wish I had a few more gears. I've been in my smallest gear wanting to shift down for, we've been riding 3 hours now almost.
Yeah.
So, but we were gonna go, we were originally thinking maybe all the way to Meyersdale.
Yeah.
But I think we're gonna try to find a campground in Frostburg and be done for the first day. First day, haven't ridden for a while. My knees kind of bother me.
My knees bother me.
Yeah, climbing up hills with the weight is not the best on the knee, but we'll break it up into this 32-mile hill in 2 days.
There we go. I'm down with
Okay.
that. Oh almost to Frostburg. We rolled in on this refreshment stand that somebody has put up here by the trail.
They knew you were coming, huh?
Yeah, well, the first thing they list is deodorant. Is that what you're saying? This is so cool. What a brilliant idea. Peanuts, snacks.
Nice.
Oh, wait. Is body armor a drink? It might be.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I thought it was deodorant because that would be funny.
It's like Gatorade.
Yeah. I think we're staying in Frostburg tonight.
Well, we thought about continuing on to Meyersdale. It's 1:45, but it's a beautiful day and we're in no hurry.
So let's go set up camp.
We have no one to impress.
Camp is at the top of these switchbacks, which these switchbacks is very cool. It's like a little art gallery. So I am going to push. I'm gonna have Pistol pull me up the hill. That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, I'm gonna ride. Can we ride these things, hon? I want one. This must be it, huh?
I think so. They have beer.
Do we just go in here then?
I think, yeah. Open, yeah.
Okay, let's go park the bikes over there.
Yeah, sure.
Oh God.
Oh no, what is it? Is this gonna work?
It'll be an adventure.
Oh boy. Okay, well, we disconnected the trailer because it's getting wild. My bike's still down at the street. We're at the campground here in Frostburg, and it's, he said there's a little ramp back here we gotta go up. Whew. After, wow, and on it goes. After riding up a hill all day, this is a nice way to end the climb. Holy cow. This is it.
Where else do we go?
We'd have to go to 16 miles. Clock's ticking. Okay, we actually changed our mind. We hauled one bike up here, but we are not gonna haul the rest of our gear up here. It's nuts. This is crazy steep. So we decided we're just gonna move on and head into Meyersdale, 16 miles ahead. Yahoo! For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
carry on.